today's video we are going to be unboxing the November Look Fantastic box. Hi there guys and welcome. I hope you're all doing absolutely fantastic today. So yeah, today's video we are unboxing the November Look Fantastic box. I can figure out how to open this. Oh, you push it up, don't you? Yeah. So this box is £15 per month. I do have a link in there. I'll pop it down below in the information box. Give it a click and you'll get a £5 off your first box, which is always good. But inside the box, here we go. We have advertisement. Not really interested. So yeah, we have the little card here with the QR code on, which has information on all the products in here, which is great. Oh, there's a sneak peek. Where's the there's not much there, is there? Yeah, let's get to unboxing. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell, it'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. I'm gonna need it. Yeah, it really helps my channel out. First item in the box is this. We are starting strong with the brand Elemis, and this is the Superfood Midnight Facial. There's 15 mils in here, so obviously not a full size, it's a deluxe mini. Pardon me. It has a value of £17. It just says perfect for all skin types. Its balancing prebiotic gel cream works through the night to drench dull looking skin in a cocoon of nourishing hydration. The indulgent formula is infused with camu camu, I hope I'm saying that correctly, a well-known source of vitamin C, and cacao butter, which contains omega-6 and 9 fatty acids known to protect the skin with essential moisture. Warm a pea-sized amount in the palms of your hands and massage into the face and neck in circular motions. Yeah, cool. So not very big, but it's Elemis, so all is forgiven. Love, love, love Elemis. I don't think I've tried this particular product before from Elemis, so I can't wait to use that. I'm going out with my friend next weekend. We are going away for the weekend, to be more precise, and there may be buckets of cocktails involved, so stuff like this is going to come in fantastic. When we get back to the hotel room, I can slather it on my face, get some moisture back into my face. I'm going to keep it sealed because I want it to be all nicey nice when I slap it on. Second item in the box we have is this. It is teeny tiny. It's by the brand Peter Thomas Roth and it's an instant firm X eye serum. So on the edit card, it states that it's 75 mils. Somehow, I don't think so. On here, it says 5 mils. So yeah, there's been definitely a mistake made on the edit card. It has a value of £7.97. It says fortified with a thermatite technology, a trio of advanced skin tighteners. Oh, I've got lots of wrinkles. I'm excited. The serum works to immediately lift and firm the appearance of the skin to effectively fill the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. The lightweight eye serum is brightening with vitamins, peptides and hydrated actives to brighten, refresh and deliver antioxidant benefits to compact environmental aggressors. Under eye appears dramatically smoother, more youthful looking with a lifted, awake result. That sounds great. Shake well and sparingly apply a thin layer to fresh, cleansed, dry skin. Product will dry within 3 to 7 minutes. That sounds so good to me, definitely. Anything that can help, I don't know, because the lights obviously soften it out, but I got so many wrinkles. I'm depressed. But no, joking. Yeah, I can't wait to try that out. Third item we've got in the box is this. So this is by the brand CRA and it's a marbled eyeshadow in the shade Wicked Amethyst. There's 5 mils that you get in here, and it has a value of £22. This dazzling formula combines stunning multi-dimensional pigments with ultra-fine glitter for maximum reflection. The unique formula feels velvety to the touch, applies like a cream eyeshadow for a wet look, full coverage sparkle. With this range of jewel inspired shades, this glistening formula creates a wet look shine with no mess and no frustrating fallout. Yeah, that sounds cool. Marbled metal eyeshadows are best used directly on the eyelid, using fingertips for intense metallic glitter pair off with one swipe. Well, we're gonna have to swatch this just to have a look. I've got a feeling it's not my shade, but let's give it a go. So when you open it up, it looks like this. So you get a little thing in here so you can like flatten it down. But yeah, that's what that looks like. Oh, it does actually feel like velvet. Just testing. Oh, that's beautiful. That's like cool tone, barely there purple. I think I can get away with using that. Oh, that's such a really, really gorgeous colour. Mine! I was going to give it to my friend, but no, sorry, it's mine. The fourth product in this box is a Lucky Dip. So you're going to get one of 3 products. So no matter which product you're going to get, the brand is by Frank Body. So you're going to get either the caffeinated scalp scrub, 125 mils, which is worth £14. Or you're going to get the caffeinated hair mask, 125 mils, worth £14. Or you're going to get an exfoliate and scalp serum, 70 mils, which is worth £16.95. So I like how they are all basically very close in price. 2 of them are the same and one of them is just slightly more with a couple of pounds. But the one that I have received, let's just make that bigger so I can see, is this one, which I'm very happy about. So this one is the caffeinated hair mask. Powered by a nourishing blend of natural ingredients, this mask works to repair the hair from scalp to tip. A comfrey fruit extract works to restore moisture, while caffeine promotes a healthy scalp. This innovative formula also includes hydrolyzed keratin, a powerful ingredient that coats and prevents the strands to repair. Sounds absolutely amazing to me. Apply a coin-sized amount to freshly shampooed hair and gently work the mask into the hair from root to tip. Wait 10 minutes and then rinse. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Yeah, cool. I'll have to do a little video on that just to test it on out and see what the results are like. But yeah, I think I've tried 1 or 2 hair products by this brand and I think I've liked it. So yeah, can't wait to try the mask out. Products numbers 5 and 6 in the box is a Lucky Dip. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of a possible 7 products, you're going to get 2 of them. So let's just quickly go through all 7 products. So you've got 2 products by L'Oreal, which is the Professional Vitamo Colour Shampoo, and then the other one is a hair mask. So the shampoo is 100 mils worth £8, the hair mask is 75 mils worth £8. The next 2 products is by L'Oreal. Oh, okay, yeah, also by L'Oreal. And it is the Series Expert Absolute Repair Molecular Rinse Off Shampoo, 100 mils worth £9.15. Or you've got the Series Expert Absolute Repair Molecular Rinse Off Serum, 75 mils worth £8.83. We have Bondi Sands Self Tanning Sleep Mask, 10 mils. Is that it? 10 mils. Worth £3.75. And we've got Molten Brown Coastal Cypress and Sea Fennel Body Wash, 50 mils, worth £5. Or we've got Way, a leave-in conditioner, 25 mils, worth £8. So the 2 products I have got, we'll go for that one first, is this. So this is by Molten Brown. So yeah, this is the body wash, worth £5. Indulge in a refreshing cleansing experience with this award-winning formula that swiftly removes impurities and build-up, helping leave skin feel invigorated. Suitable for all skin types, the body wash features an uplifting fragrance, inspired by where the sea and earth combine. Yeah, so cool. Yeah, I love Molten Brown, happy to get that. So yeah, worth a £5. It's not bad, but I can't believe one of the products was only worth £3.75 and the other products there was like there's quite a big difference. This is one of the cheaper products out of the 7, which is okay, at least it wasn't the cheapest I suppose. But yeah, let's just have a smell because it's going to go straight in my shower. Oh yeah, that's really nice actually, really nice. Yeah, I am happy with that. I might look a little bit disappointed. It would have been nice to get some of the shampoos and mask sets that they had, but I do love this brand though. And the second product out of the 7 that I got is this. So this is by Quai, and yeah, it is their leave-in conditioner worth £8. It says enriched with moisturising ingredients. This conditioning spray hydrates the hair to reduce the appearance of frizz and dryness. An exclusive amino acid blend and hydrolyzed proteins help to reinforce the hair structure to protect against styling and heat damage. This moisturising spray makes detangling a breeze while fighting damage and frizz for hair that feels as healthy as it looks. Yeah, cool. So spray onto damp hair, focusing on the lengths and ends. Yeah, I've tried 1 or 2 products by this brand before, have been amazing, so can't wait to try that out as well. Yeah, really happy with that. Right guys, so this is the November Look Fantastic box. It doesn't have a name of the edit on there, but on the notes section of the edit card it says prep for party season, so that's what I'm going to call it. What do you think? Personally, it's okay. It's a bit upsetting with how small the products were. When I first opened that box, my heart sank because I was like, really? Is that it? My thoughts have definitely improved as I've gone through the products though. So let's just take a recap. So yeah, we have a hair mask here by Frank Body. Cool. I love stuff for my hair. I can't wait to try that out. That's going to be so good to try out. We have the amazing brand Elemis. Although it be a very small product with 15ml in it, it's elemis. I just can't wait to try that out. We have the Molten Brown shower gel, bath gel stuff. They're always good. No matter which one you get, they smell so amazing, and that one really does. We have a product by Quai leave-in conditioner. This is so small. As I say, on the leaflet it said 75ml. It's 5ml. But yeah, that's going to be interesting to use. And then yeah, we have the eyeshadow shimmer thing. It's such a pretty colour, and then you can see it slightly change as the light goes on and off of it. It's very shifting, it shifts. That's the better word to use, Joanne. Yeah, so overall it is nice, it is nice. It just wasn't pleasing to the eye when I opened up the box. But what do you think? Comment down below your thoughts. Again, if you want to try this box out for yourself, click that link down below in the information box or the comment box and you'll get a £5 off your first box. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.